Yep, I am shopping in my own grocery store right now. I love this. This is organic from California Classics. Oftentimes people will confuse parsley with cilantro. You have to know the difference, okay? Because cilantro and parsley are very different, but they look the same. When I was in university, instead of KD, this is what I used to make. I'm gonna throw Kristen a curveball. She wants an arugula salad, and we like to shave Parmigiano on top, but I wonder if she'd be into these. I'm gonna get one of these just in case. And I think we're ready to go upstairs and start cooking. Welcome back to another edition of Vince's at Home. And what are we making?
Chicken piccata.
Well, this is a pretty straightforward, like when you gave me the shopping list, it wasn't very complicated to shop it. What are we making the side? You have two sides.
Risotto Milanese in the package.
These used to be imported from Italy. They now make them in the US. But the range of Alessi risottos are amazing. They're truly authentic and they're very, very simple. Anybody can cook these and have a really good risotto at home without all the extra work that it takes to make it.
And then just a simple arugula salad.
Macy's cheese crisps. They look really good. The box is very attractive. Oh, and the pack is full. See, I love when the pack is full. You know when you open something and it's like dinky doinky? Those aren't good words to use, right? Dinky doinky. And these look amazing and they smell really good. They are not gonna go in the salad 100%. Why not?
The salad's supposed to be fresh.
It's still fresh.
No.
My water is boiling. My big moment has arrived. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and package. And you can see inside it actually has like the flavoring. Oh, you can see the saffron in it coming out. So now that it's bubbling, I'm just stirring it for 1 minute. And then the really hard part's about to happen, Derek. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for 18 minutes. Removing from the heat and uncovering.
Put the lid on, Giancarlo.
I can't put the lid on, that was not the recipe. I'm fluffing. Look at this long, ridiculously long fork. That's a man's fork right there. I'm gonna just get the arugula salad ready and it's so difficult. This is so hard. I'm gonna make sure everybody knows that I made the salad. Have you ever shaved Parmigiano before? It's so difficult. Remember how difficult the salad was? And look how pretty they look. I think I'm overdoing it, but that's okay. So this is gonna go on top of our arugula salad, and that is gonna be the ingredients, other than salt, pepper, and olive oil. Why don't you talk about how particular you are about how thin you like your chicken breast?
These are thin, but I like them a bit thinner, so I am going to cut them in half.
You did butter and olive oil?
Butter and olive oil, yeah. Dredge the chicken in this flour mixture. So it doesn't have to be fully cooked now. I'm just browning the chicken on both sides. It's gonna go back in later after we create the sauce. I'm going to deglaze the pan with some white wine, and it would help if I open the wine. Scrape those brown bits off the bottom because that is the flavor. I'm gonna let that wine cook down a little bit. Squeeze some lemon juice in there. Okay, and we're also gonna add some chicken broth to that.
How much are you adding?
I love when you ask me those questions. In the pan, it's going to reduce, but you wanna cover the chicken so that the chicken simmers in there. Generous amount of butter to thicken and silkify the sauce.
Silkify.
Okay. And it melts into the sauce before I put the chicken back in. How much capers do you say? Half the jar. Okay, so this has been cooking for about, say 20, 25 minutes. And now I'm gonna put the sauce on top with the capers.
Can I just use the scissors on the parsley? It's just for garnishment?
If you wanna call it garnishment.
Isn't the act of doing it garnishmenting? So you made a nice meal.
With your help, thank you. We're a good team.
Good job. Beautiful chicken piccata, could have been made with veal too. We've got a Milanese risotto, and we have a really nice, fresh, simple arugula salad.
Easy
What a beautiful plate. Well done. Right? Better than a restaurant. Much cheaper too. Okay, we're gonna share this one. Let me see if my risotto's like what I remember it to be.
Good.